Hey y'all, welcome back to Memaw's house. There are times when I just feel like I need to slow down and bake something delicious for my family. So, today is a beautiful fall Sunday and I'm baking a blueberry sour cream coffee cake. Of course, I'll include all the ingredients in the description box, but in this coffee cake, we'll be using 2 cups of white sugar, 1 cup of butter softened, 2 large eggs, 1 cup of sour cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 3/4 cup or a little bit more of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a cup of fresh or frozen blueberries. For the filling, I'm going to use a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, a 1/2 cup of chopped pecans, and a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And we'll get these ingredients all mixed up and I'll show you how I'm doing this. But I'm getting a sense that more people are uneasy about a lot of things and are moving a lot faster than usual. And I'm one of those people. So I decided to kind of slow it down, do something with my hands, and get into my kitchen and stir something up. We've been really busy in this season of fall lately. We've been busy getting a wedding done. We've been busy doing schoolwork. We've been busy with Ari and Governor School. We've just been a busy family. And I wanted to get in here and stir up something that's delicious. That's the one activity that I like to do to calm myself down, and that's bake. I like to get in my kitchen, find a good recipe, and know that it's going to result in something that's going to be delicious. What is one thing that you like to do? What activity do you like to participate in that helps you to slow things down and really take account of what's going on in your life and allow you to breathe and think? Whatever that activity is, I hope you get a chance to do it. Baking allows me to do that, to just breathe and think. Just stirring this butter and sugar together really does help relax me. You notice I'm not using a mixer. I'm just stirring this up with my hands. Because you know what? That's how my mama did it. She stirred it up with her hands. And sometimes she'd even put her hands in this butter and sugar and cream it together. So I think that helped her relax as well. So I'm going to put a little cream and music on and let you enjoy me pulling this cake together. Now, as I bake my cake, I'm thinking about all the things that I can do and I have to do, and it helps me organize myself, helps me to think about what order I'm going to do things. The word tells me that the footsteps of a righteous man are ordered by God. So I have to hear what footsteps I need to be taken so that my day will go as ordered. Anyway, today I told you was Sunday. So I think once I finish this, I'll go get myself showered and dressed and get ready for church. because it is a slow moving Sunday. The family is not up yet. They're not moving as fast as they normally are. They're in and out and they're round and about, but they're not doing all the things, getting ready for school and all the stuff. So we're able to move a little bit slower. So as I bake my cake, I'm going to make sure that everybody is getting everything done that they need to get done. And this helps me to calm down just a little bit so that I can know that I don't have to be rushing. The word says in Philippians 4:6 to be anxious for nothing, but in everything, with thanksgiving, let your requests be made known to God, and the peace of God, which surpasses all understanding, will guard your hearts and minds through Christ Jesus. Sometimes we forget that part. The guarding of your heart and your mind through Christ Jesus. So I give it all to Him in prayer. And sometimes I can do that while I'm baking. Sometimes I can do that while I'm just journaling. And I'll just show you a little bit of what I do once I get calmed down and am able to just take it slow and do the things that I like to do. In the meanwhile, I'm going to finish the cake. We're almost done. We're going to put in a couple more blueberries because that's fabulous. And then we'll get it in the oven. Now that my cake is all ready, we're going to put it into a 350-degree oven and bake it for an hour and 15 minutes. While the cake has been baking, I've been able to get dressed and get ready for the day. One thing that I like to do to calm me down and to slow things down for me is to journal. I began journaling when my son was a baby, and he's 40 years old now. I like to write down the praises and thanksgivings I like to give God and the requests and intercessions that I make to him. This helps me to take it slow and move with intention. Journaling also helps me to see what I've requested of God and see how he's answered, because he does answer. After I've journaled, then I can take the time to review my calendar and to make sure that I have listed all the activities, all my menu plans, and all the things for the week that I need to have listed. So that helps me go into my week more intentionally. Now my cake is done. You see, I had to put a little piece of aluminum foil over it because I didn't want it to brown. It's a dense cake, but I didn't want it to get too dark on top. But it is done and it's beautiful. So let's take a look. This smells fabulous. And now I'm going to make us a little coffee to go with our coffee cake. Remember to enjoy each day as it comes and don't let all the things around you dictate how you feel. Remember to be anxious for nothing. Now I'm going to be praying for y'all, and I hope you'll pray for me. And I know this video is a little bit different than my normal videos, but I wanted to encourage you. I wanted to inspire you to do something that helps you to relax and help you enjoy your surroundings, your life, your day. So let's get our cake on our cake plate. We're going to get us a little piece, and we're going to see if our taste testers can get in here to taste it out for us. So let's get our cake on the plate and get to tasting. Okay, my taste tester is here.
I love that. It's really good. It's nice and moist, and there's tartness from the berries
Go on and taste it.
and sweet cinnamon.
Oh, cinnamon.
Alright.
That's a big piece.
It's so moist. It's really good.
Good.
I love it.
From here.
Good job, Memaw. Good job.
Y'all be blessed. And Peepaw is asking for an egg. So I'll see y'all in the next slow video. Bye. Thank y'all so much for watching today's video, and I appreciate each one of you. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I do hope you give this recipe a try. Take a day, be slow, be intentional, just for you and your family. Y'all be blessed. Bye.